In this video, we are going to show you how to use the translation feature in Zendesk Support. Now, Zendesk has its own translation feature. If you are dealing with a person or a client or a customer that does not speak your native language or does not speak English. So, for example, you have a ticket open like so. If it is not in English or whatever language you're using, there's going to be an option somewhere here on the right-hand side where you could translate the option for the language in terms of the customer's, well, language, right? But if it's not showing, because sometimes it does not show, you might want, for example, let's pretend this is in English, right? So we just need to highlight whatever it is, right click. It's not really Zendesk, but again, Zendesk's option is going to be somewhere in the right hand side, right? But if it's not working for some reason or it's not showing for some reason, you want to highlight all the message, right? Just like any other translation option, you want to right click if you're using Windows, and then click Translate section to English, and you'll be good to go. So pretty much it. That's a video. I hope you like it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. I'll see you on the next video.